Start the fourth chapter, altitudes and medians of a triangle. Now we have seen what is the altitude, how you define the altitude. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Now in triangle there are three altitudes, and the point of concurrence of that altitudes is called the orthocenter of the triangle, and that orthocenter is denoted by the letter O. Now today we are going to learn the subunit, the location of the orthocenter of a triangle. Now here three activities are given. First activity: draw a right angle triangle and its altitudes and write the point of concurrence. Now activity is draw the right angle triangle and draw its altitudes. Now ABC is the right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree, means right angle. Now if you draw the altitudes from the vertex of the triangle, now from this side AC, from vertex B, draw the altitude. This is the altitude, suppose BQ. Now in case of this side BC, draw the altitude from this vertex A, which is right angle to the, which is perpendicular to the line BC or segment BC, means AB is the altitude. Now from point C, C is the vertex, and suppose AB is the base, CB is the altitude of the on this base AB. That means segment PB is the PB, which is perpendicular to segment AC, and also segment AB, which is perpendicular to line BC or segment BC. And third CB, segment CB, which is perpendicular to segment AB. Means PB, EB and CB are the altitudes of this right angle triangle, and they meet at this point B, and this point B is nothing but the point of concurrence. The point B is the point of concurrence of the right angle triangle. Now orthocenter is point B. The orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex of right angle. Now second activity: draw an obtuse angle triangle and its altitudes. Now this is the obtuse angle PQR, means angle Q is greater than 90 degree. That's why obtuse angle triangle is this. Though they intersect each other, if you draw the altitudes from each side, and if you draw the lines containing the altitudes, that altitudes meet at this point O, and that O is nothing but the orthocenter, and that O is nothing but the orthocenter, and that orthocenter is situated outside the triangle. From this we conclude the orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in exterior of the triangle. Exterior means बाह्य भागात, बाहेरच्या बाजूला. The orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in exterior of the triangle in case of obtuse angle. Now third activity, draw an acute angle triangle ABC. Now ABC is the acute angle triangle, and if you draw its altitudes and then observe the location of orthocenter, if you draw the altitudes with the help of set square altitudes from the each vertex in this way you draw the altitudes from the vertex on each side as the base, and that altitudes meet at this point O, and that O is nothing but the orthocenter. And in case of acute angle, that orthocenter is situated inside the triangle. The orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in the interior side, interior of the triangle. Now, in case of acute angle, orthocenter is in the interior of the triangle. In this way, in case of right angle triangle, orthocenter of the right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. In case of obtuse angle, the orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of the triangle, and in case of acute angle, the orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Now stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.